So yeah, that's all you can see there. In the front, you can hardly see anything. Yeah, you can see the new sway bar links. You know the new fucking Rubicon did? Yeah. New Rubicon has sway bar links that disconnect themselves from in the cat.
Yeah. That was the talk at the Philly Auto Show.
Yeah, that's pretty unbelievable. I mean, I know every little thing helps, but it's...
'15 Renegade, fresh out the shop. In one of the other videos, we talked about the factory tire clearance when you turn the wheel. These tires are totally shot. So just got back from the shop. 1.5 inch spacer kit for the suspension. So this is just dropped down lower than factory. One of the disadvantages that Pop don't like is the Trailhawk comes with factory skid plates to cover the cat and the drive shaft. And with the kit installed, you can't reinstall the skid plate. So that's going to be an issue. He wants his skid plate back on. So we're going to make some stud extensions. And it will need an alignment and an inch bigger on the top and an inch bigger on the tires.
This is from Rusty's Off-Road Products. Offroad.com.
That's cool.
It's the same thing from DayStar, I guess, too. And then Rusty gives you one too. And you're supposed to mount this where the passenger can see it, but this warning must be installed in the passenger's compartment and clear view of the occupants.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, you're stupid for being in here. I gotta see, because some people say they notched it. So maybe it could be, you know what I mean? Maybe it only bumps in a certain spot. I'm not sure. I didn't really try to put it on and see where the bearings hit, but I think the bearing sits right here. Got a feeling it's like about that size. And then this goes on there. So this has to be lowered a ½ inch, but the studs come out of the body. So you gotta lengthen the studs a little bit, and then instead of it being on the body, it's gotta be on the spacer.
Yeah. So we'll have a couple more videos, new tires and an alignment coming, and we'll have to work something out for the skid plate. Like, comment, subscribe for our daily uploads.